The Google Fitbit Luxe is a stylish fitness and wellness tracker designed to monitor key health metrics. This video will guide you through the complete setup process, ensuring you can start tracking your activity and health data quickly and easily. Although discontinued in 2023, the Luxe remains functional and integrated within the Fitbit ecosystem through the Fitbit app. We'll cover everything from unboxing to syncing your data. Before you begin, ensure you have a few things ready. First, you'll need a compatible smartphone, either an iPhone running iOS 14 or later, or an Android phone with Android 8 or later. Your phone also needs to have Bluetooth 4.0 or newer and a stable internet connection. Crucially, you'll need a Google account, or you can create one during setup to fully utilize the Fitbit Luxe's features due to Google's integration with Fitbit. Finally, make sure your Fitbit Luxe is charged. A full charge takes about 1 hour. The first step is to download the Fitbit app onto your smartphone. If you're on an iPhone, head to the App Store and search for Fitbit. Android users can find the app on the Google Play Store. Once you've found the app, download and install it. After installation, open the app. You'll be prompted to either log in with an existing Fitbit account or create a new one. Now in 2026, Fitbit accounts are integrated with Google, which can be used for optional data sharing. First, ensure Bluetooth and location services are enabled on your phone. These are required for the pairing process to work properly. Now open the Fitbit app on your phone. Within the app, select Set up a device to begin the pairing process. From the list of available devices, choose Fitbit Luxe. The app will then guide you through the pairing process. You'll see a 4-digit code displayed on your Fitbit Luxe's screen. This code is used to verify the connection. Enter this 4-digit code into the app when prompted. This confirms that you're pairing with the correct device. Once entered correctly, your Fitbit Luxe will vibrate to confirm the successful connection. The pairing is now complete. This pairing process uses Bluetooth Low Energy for efficient and low-power connection between your phone and the Fitbit Luxe. Once your Fitbit Luxe is paired with your smartphone, the Fitbit app will guide you through customizing your settings. This step is crucial for accurate data tracking. First, you'll be asked to choose your wrist preference, whether you wear your tracker on your left or right wrist. This helps the device understand your handedness for better activity recognition. Next, you'll need to enter your personal details, including your age, height, and weight. This information is essential for the device to provide accurate metrics. During setup, you may be asked about optional data sharing with Google for AI-driven health insights. You can choose to opt in for personalized recommendations or opt out to keep your data private. After customizing your settings, test the heart rate monitoring feature. The Luxe's sensors should detect your pulse. Check the app or device to see if heart rate data appears accurately. Next, check if notifications are working. Send a test notification from your phone to verify the Luxe vibrates and displays alerts from your smartphone. The Fitbit app automatically syncs data from your Luxe to the cloud using Google servers. This ensures your activity data is securely stored and accessible across devices. Finally, open the Fitbit app dashboard to confirm your data is updating correctly. Look for recent activity, heart rate readings, and synced information to ensure everything is working properly. If all tests pass, your Fitbit Luxe is successfully set up and tracking your activity data. You can now begin using it for daily fitness and health monitoring. Sometimes you might encounter issues during setup. One common problem is connectivity drops. If this happens, try restarting the Fitbit app or resetting your Fitbit Luxe by holding the side button for 10 seconds. Make sure your phone's operating system is up to date. And the Fitbit app is the latest version. Also, ensure that your Fitbit Luxe's firmware is current, as updates often resolve connectivity problems. As of 2025, app patches have been released to address many of these connectivity issues. To maximize your Fitbit Luxe experience, start by exploring the Fitbit app thoroughly. Take time to navigate through all the tabs and menus to discover features you might not have noticed during setup. Customize your goals to match your personal fitness level and aspirations. Set daily step targets, active minutes, or sleep hours that challenge you without being overwhelming. Participate in challenges available in the app to stay motivated. Join community challenges or create your own to compete with friends and track collective progress. Track your progress over time using the app's charts and graphs. Review weekly or monthly trends to see how your habits are improving and identify areas for adjustment. Take advantage of features like active zone minutes to track your cardio fitness and sleep insights to understand your rest patterns. Use this data to optimize your workouts and bedtime routines. Be mindful of data privacy by regularly reviewing your settings in the app. Ensure you're comfortable with what data is shared and adjust permissions as needed to protect your information. Even though the Fitbit Luxe is no longer in production, it's still a valuable tool for monitoring your health when used correctly and consistently. Keep exploring and adjusting to get the most out of your device.